Hi, Leanzels here. When I was in high school, public speaking or even just reporting in front of many people was my one of biggest weakness. Until now, I guess, because I was so afraid of what people might say about me. Maybe they judge me, maybe they laugh at me, or maybe it was just me being too scared and overthinking everything. One day, my professor chose me to be the leader on our capstone project. The moment I heard that, I immediately wanted to refuse because why me? And I thought I can't do this and I am not good enough. I am really scared that time. I opened to my older sister, who's also a teacher, about it. She guided me and pushed me to step up. She told me that you can do this. Don't be afraid. Don't let other people's opinion affect you. Because of her words, I gathered my courage and confidence. I accepted that role. And though I was scared, but I did my best, and also my group mates. That experience taught me that sometimes we just need someone who believes in us until we learn to believe in ourselves. I learned that public speaking is about sharing ideas that matters. Chris Anderson taught me to focus on one idea and make people care. While Miss Inka reminded me that our voice has power and we don't need to be famous to influence others, because our words has the power to inspire and create change. Because in the end, I realized that fear will always be there. And sometimes we just need someone who believes in us and a little push. And when we finally believe in ourselves, that's when we find our true voice, a voice that can inspire and make a difference.